going on? You're tuned into a new edition about a healthy lifestyle and nutrition. Come along with me, I'll show you around. Tell you how to live better, so how does that sound? Talk about healthy foods and great spices.
Today is Sunday, May 3rd, 2026. And this is an update for early spring, what came out in dormancy. The nettle, this time I'm going to utilize the nettle greens. Very good, very medicinal, very good for allergies, and very good for leafy green intake. And in here looks like my lemon balm. Yeah, my lemon balm is coming back, and looks like my zinnias is coming in. And as you recall, in the fall 2025, in the winter, early winter 2025, I planted garlic, and it's taken off. I also planted garlic in here, but look how thick this garlic is coming in. Wow, so look like hopefully I can get a big head. And this is just a pot of soil. I threw in some scraps. Remember, when you're chopping up your produce, throw the seeds in the pot, and this is how you get free food. And moving along over here, I got 3 blueberry shrubs, bush. And this is one of them. This one doesn't give a lot of blueberries, but hopefully I have enough. But you can tell that they're flowering. And over here, I had this blueberry for a long time. It got tons of flowers. And this was the latest one. And this time, this looked like it's going to be the first season I'm going to get blueberries off of here. So you can see they forming. And this is my medicinal raised bed. Remember, I bought 3 sea buckthorn berries from Canada. And if you're going to grow sea buckthorn berries, you got to have a male and a female. So I got 2 females. I got a Eva and a Mary. And in the middle, the male is a Lloyd. So look how high the sea buckthorn is. It came out of dormancy full. And one thing about sea buckthorn berry, when you grow it, have a specific area for them, because it will spread, and they very vigorous with the root system. They'll pop up somewhere where you don't want it to be popped up, but you can control it and watch the thorns on it as well. This berry, sea buckthorn berry, like I said last year, is high omega-7, the highest oil content than any other berry. Sea buckthorn berry is found in cosmetic products, and it's very hard to find the fresh juice. You can find it in other countries. You can find it in other states like Maine or upstate, but it's very hard to find the sea buckthorn berry. In Portland, you can find them in, but yes, the leaves are very medicinal as well. Oh, see, I just ripped off one. And also, what I planted with the sea buckthorn berry, crocrosis, which is saffron. So I'm growing saffron as well. And another thing about sea buckthorn berries is it has high nitrogen, so it will help feed the soil. And also I have garlic growing in here as well. This is going to be a spot that I'm going to plant maybe a fruit tree. I haven't decided which one. But so far, this fig tree, Olympian fig tree, so far hasn't come out of dormancy since the winter. I'm hoping it ain't dead because we had a really bad winter. I tried to cover the root system by putting mulch on top, but we shall see. But I'm praying that it comes out. So that may be planted here, not too sure, or over there. And remember the artichokes, it didn't survive, but we shall see. But I doubt if anything that comes up. But I also planted garlic. Look how strong the garlic is growing. You see? Okay, and here is my Glencoe raspberry. I just found out recently Glencoe is like a dark purplish raspberry, cross between a red raspberry and a dark purple raspberry. And the leaves of a raspberry are also medicinal, especially for us women. Reproductive helps support the reproductive system, and also has iron too. And right next to it, I replanted my goji berry bush. Now goji is very medicinal, very beneficial for the eyes, and also the leaves are edible. You will find this in Asian dishes and stuff, and also the berries are well known in alternative Chinese medicine. So this is my goji, and it's also a perennial. It will come back, and also it will spread, but it will definitely come back every year. If you're in zone 7B, it will come back, so don't worry, you can put it outside. Here, as we know, this is my 2-bush sweetie pie blackberries, and it's coming back. It looked like I got some. Is this? Nope, this is not dead because I see some canes shooting out, but this one may be dead. I mean, no, I still see greenery. I had to prune back some. All right, let's move it along. Okay, when I was pruning, I also pulled off, I guess you can call it this is the Glencoe raspberry vine, and I propagated it. So this is going to be another raspberry shrub or bush, you want to call it. But so far it took. So my propagation method, I'm a rookie at it, but it took because it's growing. So that's like double the dose of more raspberries. Now, I don't know I didn't pull this out of these grow bags because I don't know if this is weed or was this celery. I don't know. I may pull it out because I don't know what that is, but I haven't planted anything yet in these bags. In these square raised beds, I planted some garlic, and you can see the garlic is coming in. And I dropped some broccoli in here, and I don't know if anything. Oh, look like something is coming up here. We shall see. And I had planted some lettuce, and nothing has come up. That was last season. Moving along, of course, just a few minutes ago, I harvested some sage leaves, and with the buds, the flowers about to open. This comes back year after year, and it's a perennial, and I have it sharing a raised bed with my compost. So this is my compost where I throw all my raw food scraps in here. As you can see, I gotta pull some of these grass weeds out of here, but hopefully something will grow out of it that's free food. Last year I had acorn squash growing out of here. I don't know what I'm gonna plant there. I don't know what I'm gonna plant here yet. This is another goji, and this is another blueberry bush that I bought for someone, and so far he hasn't come yet to pick it up. Another compost scrap container. I don't know what I'm gonna put in there. In this area, yes, I'm trying to do weed control. I'm putting cardboard boxes down, and then I'm putting a weed blocker in here. So in this section, after I put the cardboard and the weed blocker, I'm gonna plant another fruit tree. I don't know if it's gonna be the fig tree here or something else. And here, this is very tall. Look how tall this is. This is my I'm stumped. Oh, my Lee jujube is coming back. It's leafing out of dormancy. And look how high it is, you guys. Wow, I'm about 5'6.5", 5'7", and this is over 6 feet. So I had some fruit, and it's really good, y'all. If you haven't had a fresh Lee jujube, you gotta try to get one. It's, like I said before, it's a cross between an apple and a date, and it's crunchy like an apple. If you let it dry out, it'd be sweet like a date. And here is my other raised bed. This is a hot mess. Now this is yarrow. Yarrow has flowers, but so far no flowers yet. But also I read up on about the leaves. The leaves are very medicinal as well. And look at that, another garlic, strong. And Haas, my mistake with Haas, I didn't know Haas is very vigorous like peppermint. It could spread and take over. So I've been pulling it out where I see it's popping in areas I don't want it to be popped. So it came back out of dormancy. And you see, again, it's taking over my Greek oregano. Greek oregano is another perennial that it can also spread and come back year after year. More garlic I planted. This is my second pomegranate. And this is a Bala Marso, a co-variety pomegranate. So far it hasn't come out of dormancy. I covered it with some mulch and stuff. We shall see. We shall see. I'm hoping we shall see. And on my other raised bed, I don't know, it's not garlic, but it may be leeks. But look how strong I cut it. I be cutting the greenery, eating it like scallions. But it comes back year after year. And these things with purple flowers is weeds. Yep. This is a weed. Don't want that because it'll spread. Yeah, these are weeds. Weeds. More garlic in the center. And in this raised bed last season I had Swiss chard, and so far Swiss chard hasn't come back. And there goes, I noticed the Haas growing and more weeds. I'm gonna have to drop some seeds because I haven't seen any Swiss chard, but my garlic is coming back. This is all weeds. And this is a hot mess. This is my no dig raised bed. And I'm gonna fix this up. And I gotta pull up the weeds. This is dandelion, but I'm gonna pull that up. This was kale. I thought it was showing greenery, but now it's no good. So that's dead. I don't know, that may be chives, because I do a lot of seasoned chives, and I don't know. Then this is no good weed. This is Swiss chard, because I could tell by the leaves. But this other stuff, weeds, grass. Yeah, I gotta clean that up and drop more seeds. This was where I had the okra growing in here. Another gujai, propagate another one here. I don't know what I'm gonna plant yet. Okay, this is my Concord grapevine. First time it's coming out with some fruit, and I planted it last year, and so far so good. And the grape leaves are very medicinal, very healthy and nutritious. And I'm gonna definitely harvest some grape leaves and cook it, blanch it, stuff it. But look at this, you guys. Look at the grapes forming. We shall see if it holds. And this one is my Parfica pomegranate. It died in the middle, and it looked like it sprouted at the side, and it's coming back. And this is my lavender. When I pulled it out of this raised bed, partial was half alive and half dead. So I don't know what is going on. Hopefully it's not dead, because I love this. I love harvesting the flowers, but it looked like it may be dead. So far, nothing greenery is coming out of this yet. And this is my mulberry, and this is my dwarf evergreen mulberry. I planted this last season. I got it from a farmer's market and came back, so it survived the cold winter. And moving along, this is my, what is this? Sour cherry tree. And coming back strong with flowers and fruit forming. And I'm also growing my crocus saffron. You can tell the green was sprouting out, so it's dying back because it doesn't like the hot season, but the flowers will come out during the fall and winter. And that's it, y'all.